Savannah here, and for today's video I'm super excited to show you all these sweet treats that I made for the spring season and Easter as well. So the first treat that I made were these carrot cake scones, and I love scones, but I never thought to make carrot cake scones before, and I love carrot cake too, so why not combine the two and make carrot cake scones? And as you can see here, they turned out very nice and they taste so amazing too. And then as well, I made these lemon drop cookies, and I always used to get the lemon drops from the grocery store. The little lemon drop candies tasted so good and they were so sweet, and they were perfect for the springtime, and so I made these lemon drop cookies to replicate that same taste. And then additionally, I made these bunny tail cookies, and they tasted so good. And if you like powdered sugar, anything kind of powdery, these are perfect for you. And all of these treats were easy to make, and I only used a few ingredients to make them, which is a plus. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's get started. To make these lemon cookies, all you will need is a lemon cookie mix, 1 stick of butter, and 1 egg. So first I'm going to crack my egg, and now I'm going to place my 1 stick of butter, lastly I'm going to pour in my lemon cookie mixture. And now I'm just going to stir these ingredients all together. So now I've finally finished mixing all of my ingredients together, and the consistency was almost like a dough-like substance. And so these are lemon drop cookies, so this is just what you need to make them perfectly rounded shaped. And so these cookies smell so good, and it smells like lemon drops, which remind me of the springtime. And so now I'm just going to be using my ice cream scooper and to scoop the lemon drop cookies onto my cookie sheet. So now I'm going to put these in my oven that I set at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. To make these bunny tails, all you will need is bunny tail mix and only 1 stick of butter. So now I'm going to put my butter and my mixture into the bowl. Now I'm just going to take my mixture and form little balls for my bunny tails. Now I'm going to bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Not too long ago, my bunny tail cookies just came out of the oven, and so after I let them cool for about 15 minutes, I am going to place my bunny tail cookies into this powdered sugar, and I'm just going to roll it around to make it look like a bunny tail. And as you can see here, they look so good and they mimic a bunny tail. Now I'm going to take my sprayed spatula and put my mixture onto this rounded cookie sheet. So now I'm going to bake my scones at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. So now for my scones, to make it get that carrot shape, I'm going to cut this big circle into small triangles. So first, I'm just going to cut it in half, and then after that, I'm just going to cut it in fourths. And now for each fourth, I'm just going to cut it in half again. And so this is what it looks like after I have finished cutting it. For the frosting for my scones, I have melted 4 tablespoons of butter in this glass measuring cup. And now I'm going to pour 1/3 cup of powdered sugar in. And then 1 tablespoon of milk. So how I'm going to dye my frosting is first I'm going to separate my mixture, and I'm just going to pour a little bit into this other bowl here, and this little bit is going to be the green and this here is going to be the orange. So in my packet it came with some orange powder and as well as green powder. So I'm just going to stir both of these in here to my mixture for the glaze, and the orange will serve as the carrot and the green will serve as the leaves of the carrot. And these are very vibrant colors, so it will give off that carrot-like appearance for the scones. So now I'm going to be frosting my scones. So first I'm just going to take my orange and just slightly do a little drizzle. And I'm just leaving the tops unfrosted for now to do the leaves later. So now I'm just going to take my knife and I'm just going to smooth the frosting around the whole entire scones. Taking my green frosting and just doing little lines to represent the leaves on the carrot. And so there we have our carrot cake scones. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you will make all of these treats soon. They turned out very good and I enjoyed making all of these treats for you guys. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe down below. And I love baking during the spring season because it's a perfect time to start baking and getting all those sweet ingredients and treats out. I hope that you will bake these soon in the upcoming spring season. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!